Put a small cutting of snake plant some time back. I want to see whether it's rooting. So I can see the roots. So this is about 3 to 4 months, just to show you all that you can easily propagate them with leaves. So this is also have started rooting. Very easy to grow with a small leaf. So propagate these snake plants with a single leaf cutting. That is also possible. Why are snake plant leaves withering like this? This is a common issue in your snake plant. If you are also having the same problem, now here I took them out to give them a good treat. Now look at this. These are brown spots and also these leaves are withering. This is, of course, the reason is not exposing the plant to sufficient sunlight, and not only that, this is under watering. So if you see droopy leaves, that is overwatering. Those two are the common mistakes we do, not understanding the snake plant. So snake plant need water. We can't say that the plant doesn't need water. We must water the snake plant at right times, checking the soil. So this is the issue with the snake plant if it is under watering. And also if you see the leaves are withering like this, becoming soft, and this is also another reason, not exposing the plant to sunlight. So today I'm going to give you some tips and tricks of growing snake plant, which is known as mother-in-law's tongue, another name for this. And also there are many varieties. Now here I took only these, and I will be showing you the tips and tricks of growing this beautiful snake plant, one of the air purifier plant, one of the trending plants, and also low maintenance and permanent plant for your garden as a decorative plant. Not only that, this is one of the best house plants. Always cut off the yellow leaves and remove it from the plant, because otherwise plant is producing more energy to wither the leaf more, so that the whole plant will get sick. So in order to keep the plant healthy, you will have to remove the yellow leaves out of the plant. So that is the first thing. And just clean the top surface. Here also I have some dried leaves. I'm going to remove them. But if you can notice, now all these plants are producing baby plants. Now here's a small plant. These are the baby plants. These plants need well draining soil. You'll have to add sand in it and with the garden soil. Do not make the soil so moist, because snake plants will grow healthily without the moist in the soil. So the best thing is to add some sand, and also provide it a sufficient amount of water when it's necessary. Now the top layer of this plant is totally dry. So I'm removing all the particles from the top and make the plant breathable. Take small planters for these snake plants, because when you provide ample spacey planters that do overwater, there will be a lot of water in the planter. When you put the plant in a small planter, the advantage is these plants will with the drainage hole be very easy for the plant to remove all the water by the drainage hole. So it will drain out the water, excess water from the drainage hole, when you give a small planter with a good drainage. So these small planters are ideal for the snake plant. Now you can see here I have put some snake plant cuttings, leaf cuttings, and that way also you can get more plants. Now top layer of the soil is all cleaned in my pots, and so let the plant to breathe. Once in a while you will have to do this. The top layer of the soil should be well draining, especially the top layer should be clean, and also it should be not so hard. So now, as you can see, there are many baby plants coming out of these. There are many plants in the same planter. So this is one of the air purification plants. You can use any fertilizer of your choice, and even without fertilizing you can grow these beautiful snake plants. How to propagate the snake plant? Now I'm going to show you. Take a small cutting of the leaf. Now anyway this leaf looks unhealthy, I'm going to cut it off, but still you can propagate this part in water. So I'm going to put it in water. You need only a very little of water and leave it. It will take about 3 weeks. So you add water and a leaf of this particular snake plant, a cutting of snake plant leaf. So you will see within 3 weeks, and it will take about more than 21 days to propagate and root. So you can easily propagate plants. So that is one way, and the other way is to remove these new baby pups appearing from the planter. You can remove this from the planter and keep it in a separate pot, and you have another snake plant for you. That is how you add and collect more snake plants for the collection. Now I'm going to cut this as well because it doesn't look healthy. You can see from the top it's withering, so it's not healthy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it in the same pot. We'll see whether it will root. That is one method of propagating the snake plant. So likewise you can grow healthily these plants. Do not expose them to the direct sunlight. Keep them in the indirect sunlight area. But this particular plant, when we call them as house plants, they also need sunlight. So medium to partial sunlight. Keep it in the shade, but do not cover them. Let them also get the specific amount of sunlight for their growth. And also friends, do not overwater, do not over fertilize. Then you will see the brown spots or yellowing of snake plant leaves. So this is a beautiful house plant and also one of the air purification plants. Easy to grow, low maintenance and permanent. Once you bring it from a nursery, you will see that within a very short period you can multiply them. So provide it a small planter rather than giving them bigger ample pots, because these plants, if you accidentally overwater these plants, if the planter is small, there's advantage because then water get drained out, the plant is safe. Otherwise the water will remain in the soil and the plant will be getting yellow leaves and you are losing a beautiful plant. So make sure to follow all these steps, and if you have any questions you can comment below, and also if you are new, consider to subscribe to Tamara's Garden. Thanks for watching.